Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC formally welcomed former leader of the Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo people, Marbud Dkhar, to its fold today, the 28th of March 2022. Marbud Dkhar was welcomed by President of the MPCC, Vincent H Pala, in the presence of other party leaders from the state. Speaking on the occasion, Vincent Pala said that this is the first time that the Youth Congress in the state has leaders who are qualified in various fields and even hold a master's degree as qualification. He also added that those qualified people may be selected as the Congress party's candidates for the coming general elections in the state.
The first time in the history of Meghalaya bagi Youth Congress mentara kita qualified. Kita MA, kita Master Computer, kita pelak pass. Kalau kita candidate ini the first time in Europe, kita pass na IM, kita pass untuk Garo ini, kita pass na IT, kita professor, kita doctorate, kita kerja.
New entrant to the Congress party in the state, Marbud Dkhar, while addressing the gathering, said that his candidature to the upcoming General Assembly elections of 2023 will depend on voters of Meghalaya constituency, as the sitting MLA PT Saukme has shown his inclination to join one of the regional parties in the state, the UDP. At the same time, Marbud Dkhar expressed his desire to remain in the Congress party and not change sides, as his intentions are to sincerely serve the people of the constituency and the state as a whole.
Kongres nidon ya kata kejingsannya bat kejing semosnya lagi pemot hagi pemot kejing singsa nagini kisorka kimonda kibadan nanti apa center kibadan nanti apa kejela mengelia kejumi ngatrai bata bismofu bat pikirmo ayu ba kini kisahkan kepada nanti postanda, bat kini kisahkan kepada apa jela Meghalaya. Kilaga persosok sisa, bat kila yurat nagamda kijela renpa kijongi. Bat kamtam nilai ngakwa ban berkembang lagi. Nanu bawanra ya demonetization. Kalawan Jaintia hapo kari